Good afternoon, student. Welcome in my today's class under the course number extension 111, course title Rural Sociology and Educational Psychology. So in previous class we discussed about the leader, its definition of leadership, and classification of leader according to style and according to on the basis of type. So we discuss about the classification of leader in previous class in detail. So today we are going to discuss, it is not actually in your syllabus, but as I thinking that you should know what are the methods are there for identification of leader and what is the role of leader in agriculture extension. So it is very important as per your any competitive examination. So we are going to discuss in today's class about the identification of leader and role of leader in agriculture extension. So in this particular this particular topic, identification of lay or local leader is there, and again role of agriculture role of leader in rural areas is different, means local leader, and role of leader in agriculture extension is a different. So two types of role is given in this particular topic. So first of all we are going to discuss about the identification of lay or local leader. How we should identify leader, means the extension worker is there when he work with the rural people. Okay, so when he want to work with the rural people or farmer, so that time he follows some methods to identify the leader. Why? Because if a leader is there for there are different kind of the groups are there, as we discuss in the social group, there is a different kind of the, group presence in our society. So in rural area also there is a different kind of the social groups are there. So to work with that people, he must know about the leader of that particular group, or he should identify leader. So that's why the easily he can contact with that particular leader to transfer the information related to the agriculture or what they want to convey to them. So some of the methods are there, we are going to discuss about that one by one. So first identification of lay or local leader is, first method is discussion method. First discussion method, second is a workshop method, third is a group observer, fourth is the election method, fifth is a seniority or past experience, six is a key informants, seven is a self designating, and eight is a sociometric method. So these are the eight methods are there. We are going to discuss in a brief one by one what is actually these methods are there for identification of lay or local leader at a rural area. Okay, so this discussion method is what? So here extension worker is there. Okay, he want to work with the rural farmer, or sorry, rural people or farmers. So for conducting different kind of the programs to give the information related to agriculture, and also identify the potential leaders, means potential leaders means what? Who have the that capability to influence the behavior of the people who are in the particular group. Okay, so he should be follow this type of the methods to identify the potential leaders. Okay, so here some methods are there. First is the discussion method. What is the discussion method? So discussion method is nothing but particular extension worker organize the discussion, group discussion with the persons, and check out the sound knowledge and ability of that particular person. Okay, so discuss with the number of persons in that particular area, and identify the sound knowledge, what kind of the knowledge that particular person have, is again ability of that particular person he identified through this discussion. Because discussion is what, if he discuss on the specific topic. Okay, so not all the persons in that particular group they are initiative. So some are initiative, some are hesitate, some are confident. Okay, so they have the ability of leadership within them already. So they are they are they are put them their opinion regarding the particular topic or particular issue, whatever they discuss in that particular discussion method. So to find out the particular leader in that group, discussion method is followed. As a discussion means what? It is a just people 10 to 15 people come together and extension worker take the discussion over a particular topic within that particular group. So it will be check the knowledge or ability of the particular persons. So that is our discussion method is here. Then the second is the workshop method. So what is the workshop method, or how you a particular extension worker um, identify the leader through this workshop method. So here some assignment is given to the village people, okay, and the responsibility of the that particular programmer, okay, and to take the decision regarding the particular group over a particular time period is there. So what extension worker is, what is the role of extension worker here? To check out who which person is taking the all responsibilities, who are going to check complete all that assignment and taking the responsibility of that particular group. So by giving the assignment to the peoples, village people, they should identify their leader. So that is our workshop method, by giving the assignment to the village people, okay. Then the next is your the group observer. So extension worker should watch the community or group, means by observing the particular community or group, okay. So and he should identify the spot potential leader, means by observing the behavior of the particular person, what kind of the knowledge they have, how they're doing the work, okay. How they take their particular group, or how it is the a particular person is not a leader of that group, but how they are convening the people regarding the this new technology or information, whatever they said by the extension worker. So some impact of that person is on the other member of that group. So by observing that particular group or community, he should identify their particular leader according to that particular situation. So this is about the group observer. This is the one of the method. Then the election method is there. Fourth number, election method. So election method, what is in this particular method? The extension worker can guide or assist the local people to elect their, or electing procedure is there, okay. So right people for the right job by explaining the whatever the group functions are there, okay. How you will deal with the particular problems, okay. What kind of the qualification of particular good leader should we have to complete the particular purpose. So this is the one of the method of election to identify the leader. So it is nothing but just extension worker guide to the local people to elect their right people for that leadership, okay. So that is election method is there. So people are going to be select a person by their opinion regarding the particular person by electing. So then next is a seniority or past experience. Sometimes what happen in community, in a particular community or particular that village area, some people have uh, some people are oldest person are there, okay. So they have lot of experience, not lot of knowledge regarding what happened. So some in the particular village area, some people are old persons are there, oldest persons are there. They have most knowledge and experience, okay, regarding their particular area and particular community. So that people can be identified as a leader on the basis of seniority and past experience, okay. So they may be have, they may be create a stability in the particular group. So this is about one method is there. Then the next is your self design, sorry, key informator, okay. So what is this key informator, key informants? So this is method is nothing but here what, um, one person is there, okay. So that particular person have the knowledge or have the all the information regarding the that particular social system, who are number method is there, that's a key informants. So key informants, what it is, the community may be asked to the particular indicate the opinion leader of that particular area, the person who have the knowledge regarding the their social system, whatever the social system they have, whatever the area they have the all the information regarding the particular their society, their social system, or whatever the members in that particular group, and they have the knowledge to influence the behavior of the members or people who are in that particular social system. So that is what if the key information is what the person who have the all knowledge regarding their social system, what is happening around their environment. So that particular person is identified as a leader. Why? What is the benefit behind it? So it is a cost saving and also the time saving. Okay, so in a it is save the time because they already know the all the information related to that particular social system. So that is your key informants. Then the self designating. So what a self designating is there. So it is a technique where the some question should be asked or series of questions should be asked to the respondent, means who are the members, who are the people in that particular social system. Okay, and they are pursuing some knowledge regarding the particular questions. Okay, so here through that asking the questions to the particular persons and getting the answer from that, so this particular extension worker know the which person is right for the leadership. So that is one of the technique is there. And also the person who are in the self designing means what, they are also perceiving what actually they have with them, means what kind of the knowledge or what kind of the things they already have with them. So this is one of the method, individual perception to the leadership. Okay, so it affect the behavior of their own self. So it is one of the technique, that is self designating. Then the most important method of the identification of lay leader is that sociometric method. It is very important, sociometric method. So we are going to discuss detail about the sociometric method. One diagram is there, but before going towards the diagram, I just want to said about something about the sociometric method. The sociometric method is what? It is a deals with the social relationship among the group and individual. Okay, so I already told you different kind of the groups are there. Okay, and the individuals are there. So they have this particular method. This sociometric method is what? It is deals with the social relation between the groups and individual. Okay, so it is a method of discovering, describing, and evaluating the social status and also development of the particular that individual and group. So they are if any individual went to the particular group for taking the advice, okay, so it will be the reject that particular advice or accept that particular advice. Okay, so that things are there. So this is one of the sociometric method. Sociometry is what meaning of the sociometry is what? Is the means of presenting simply and graphically that entire structure of relation exist between the member of a given group. Means whatever the group is there, so relationship between the that members, okay, through the simply and graphically the structure of relation, means what kind of the relation they have with their members. Okay, the particular group, that is your sociometry. So what is the sociometry method? We are taking the one example here in the next slide. So here the sociometric method is there. Okay, so as shown as in this particular diagram, just 1 minute. So as shown in this diagram, sociometric method, you shown the B person is there. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F. These 6 persons are there in a particular group. Okay, this is a this circle is a one social system is there, and this social system or this particular village or this particular group have the how many members? This is one group is there. How many members are there in particular group? 6 members are there. Okay, so as shown in this diagram, there are 6 persons are there. There is A, B, C, D, E. Okay, and F. 6 persons are there. So A is what? A is interviewed to. He may indicate the generally, means A person is went to the B person. Here B person is a leader, but himself he did not know about he is a leader. Okay, म्हणजे जो B person आहे, जो B person है यहाँ पर, उसके पास ए पर्सन एडवाइस लेने के लिए आता है. ओके, बट बी पर्सन को पता ही नहीं है कि वो लीडर है. ओके, सो ए पर्सन वेंट टू द बी पर्सन फॉर टेकिंग द एडवाइस. बी for advice for, related to the farming or any other related problem regarding the any issues in that particular village. Then C, D, and F as shown like arrow I am showing here. So which person went to the B for the taking the advice? So C, D, and F also went to the B person, okay, for taking the advice. So B person is called as a operational leader. Okay, he is called as a operational leader. So A, C, D, and F. These four person went to the B for taking the advice. Okay, and B is a person who could not be as a leader. Okay, but other person uh, suppose him to as a leader. Okay, and E person is went to the A person for taking the advice. Only one person is there who is went to the A person for taking the advice. Again, this B person is does not have any office, not any leadership position, but he may not be think like that himself as a leader, but other persons are think, or they are supposed to be that particular B person is a operational leader or a leader where is we are going to take a advice. Understood? So this is the sociometric method. So here not any decided leader is there, just people went to the one person for taking the advice, as they suppose that the particular person should be given us right advice. That's why they are went there. So this is about your sociometric method, and this diagram is called as a sociograph because it's the diagrammatic representation of identification of leader. That's why it's called as a sociogram. Okay, so this is about your all the method of identification. Then we move towards the next slide, that is a your role of local leader. So here I already told you there is a two type of the role is there. Role of local leader is there, and role of leader in agriculture extension. Okay, but you should write in examination if it asks like that role of leader in agriculture extension. So you should write according to Dhamma and Bhatnagar 1985. So first of all we discuss about the role of local leader. So what kind of the role of leader, local leader are there or lay leader are there? Okay, so we are going to discuss about the role of leader first. So group spokesman. So particular uh, the leader of the particular group is having the capability of speaking. Means if any problem arises in the particular group, okay, or any issues is there, so he can talk or he can put the particular issue and solve the particular problem regarding their group members. Okay, so again what happen if any next role is what, group harmonizer. So any violation is in the particular group is there, or any issues, critical issues happen in the particular group, so that person have the create the harmony in the group by solving that issues. Okay, by solving that particular issues happen in the group. Okay, so that is your group harmonizer. So act as a group harmonizer. Group planner. So if any activity should be carried out in particular group, any activity if related to extension, so the extension program, if the particular leader want to organize through the group or in the group, that suppose for example group discussion method is there, demonstration is there, or group meeting is there, so different kind of the activities should be there. So he is having the that much capability, means he is a planner, he have the planning to organize all the activity. So that's why it's called as a group planner. Okay, so that is one of the role is there. Group executive. So it is related to the any, if any business should be carried out through the group, so he is a executive of that particular, how you should execute that particular business or particular idea in a implementation. So he is act as a group executive, also group educator. So as any whatever the followers or whatever the members in the particular group, he he going to be educate that people for a right decision. Means what are things, what which things are right, which things are wrong, he should be given the knowledge regarding that particular things to the members in the particular group. So it's act as a group educator. Symbol of group ideals means what, the leader is what, leader is a one of the symbol of ideal to the all members of the particular group. Whatever he doing, whatever he act, whatever he talk, so all these is following by their particular members of the group. So if he is having the good symbols, good rules, good talking, good behavior, all these things, qualities, leadership qualities, if they have, innovator is there. So all these things if we have with him, so it is a one of the ideal of their members. So it is a symbol of a group ideal. So whatever he did, their followers also did like that, or they act like that. So that is one of the thing is there. Group discussion chairman. If any forum means what, there is a chairman is there and members are there, so they are going to discuss any topic in the particular forum. It is one of the group discussion method. Forum is there, then workshop is there, and a group discussion method is there. So all these things are there. So in that particular group discussion, leader should be the chairman. Okay, he is the chairman of that particular group. He should be organize that particular activity, group activity, and uh, overcome the whatever the problem are going to be discussed in that particular group discussion. This is the forum, workshop, whatever kind of the methods they followed under that. So that is the thing is here, it act as a chairman of the particular group discussion. And the group supervisor. Okay, supervisor means what, he should be have the supervision on that particular group. So what is happening in the particular group, what the people are doing in the in particular group, so all this supervision should be observed by the that group member, sorry, group leader. Okay, so it is one of the role of is local or lay leader. So these are the some roles of local or lay leader is there. So we are going to move toward the our next an important point, that is a role of leader in agriculture extension. Okay, so we discuss about what role or importance of lay or local leader. Okay, it found in the rural area especially. So here role of leader in agriculture extension, what is the role of this particular leaders in agriculture extension? So according to Dhamma and Bhatnagar in 1985, he gives some role. So I'm trying to show all the role through the diagram. It is not given in any notes, this diagram, just I'm for your understanding purpose I am giving this. So role of leader in agriculture extension. So here first role is what, demonstrator. Okay, demonstrator is there. Then second one is adopter. Third is organizer. Fourth is advisor. Fifth is a supplier. Sixth is a survivor. Seven is assistant. Eight is educator. Nine is acting and license. Helper 10, and 11 is aware or abreast. Okay, so these are the some role of leader in agriculture extension. It's a very simple role is there. So we are going to discuss one by one. What is it, what is the role as a demonstrator, adopter, organizer, advisor, supplier, survivor. Okay, all this 11 role is there of leader in agriculture extension. So we are going to discuss one by one. So sorry, so first is the demonstrator. So demonstrator is nothing but he should be rise or he should be conduct the demonstration plot and showing into the others. So if any extension worker wants to work with the rural people, he what if any improved variety of a particular crop he want to share with the farmers. So first of all, what particular people are not having the trust on that particular variety, so you should shown through the that trial, that is a result demonstration is there. Okay, so different kind of demonstration is there, result is there, method demonstration is there. Okay, so all these demonstrations are there. So through this particular leader, okay, leader should be organized this type of the demonstration with the help of extension worker at one place, at at a farm or at a one plot of particular farmer, and on some land he should be trial on the particular variety. Okay, so on the different kind of the crops, so to showing the result of that particular variety, so people can believe on that result of the variety. Okay, so whatever it may be. So what is the role of leader is here, he should be arranged or he should be the rise the demonstration plot and showing into the others, mean to the members of that particular group. Okay, so that is the first role as a demonstrator. Then adopter. So adopting themselves all the improved agriculture practices. Okay, first point what we see, he should be arrange the demonstration to show the result or to show the particular demonstrations. Okay, so but in adopter what, before going to be arranging the demonstration, he should be adopt first of all that particular improved agricultural practices. Okay, so people of that particular group, they should follow that agriculture practices. So he should be adopt, then say all the improved agriculture practices, that is a adopter. Then third is a organizer. So organizing group meetings and other group discussion techniques, okay, for discussion over the various problems, various issues, various agriculture improved practices, okay, in the particular group. So arranging different kind of the extension activities, meetings, again group discussion, that is your this, that's why it's called as a organizer. Then next is your advisor. So if any marketing related issues are there, so you should be the give the advice, or it should be the serve as the advisor related to the marketing facilities, the marketing things. Okay, so buying and selling of the products, all these things are there. So it act as an advisor or give the advice over a particular issues or problem. Okay, it will be the related to the marketing and or any other. So it's act as an advisor. Then next is a supplier. So supplying the improved seeds to the farmers. It is one of the example here. What type of the supplying? What is the actually supplier? Supplier means he should be give the inputs or supply the inputs related to agriculture. It is improved seeds are there. Any machineries, if it is giving the information related to any machinery, if any schemes are there to give the information related to the that particular agriculture schemes. So all information related to the agriculture, he should be provide to the their members. Okay, it is a, not only related to the supplying the improved seeds only, but other information also. So that is a role as a supplier. Then survivor, serving the innovative farmer in the village. Okay, so what who some farmers are have the innovative ideas in their minds, or they are applying on their field, to serving that innovative farmer is a role of a particular leader. Then the assistant, assisting the farmers in getting credit. If any farmer want to credit or loan for their particular for their farm, okay, so he is helping or assist that particular farmer to getting the credit or loan. Okay, where you should take the particular loan. Okay, it is a short term, medium term. Okay, what kind of the loan you should be have means, it should be the macro or should be the micro finance should be required for the particular farmer. So that all the information, how you should fill the form, all these things should be he give to that particular farmer to getting the credit. Okay, so he assists to the farmer to getting the credit. Then the, next is the educator. So educating the farmer to grow more than two crops in a year. Educator means not only to give the education related to the your this particular subjects or like that. So educating here in this farmer, what type of the education he give what type of the crop you should sown in your field. In 1 year you should grow the more than one crop, so you will get the more production from your particular farm. So that type of the advice should be given to the farmer. That is a one of the educator, its role as a educator. Okay, educating farmer to grow more than two crops in a year, it is one of the example. Then the act as a license officer. What is the acting and license means what? Acting as a license officer between the extension worker and the farmer means what? So what happened, extension worker did not know about that much the farmers, means they are not directly have the knowledge regarding the farmers. So here a leader is having a very important role in between the bridge of extension worker and farmer. So whatever the uh, information extension worker want to convey with the farmers, they are conveying with the help of the these leaders. Okay, so because the leader is actually well known to their members, and they are follower of that particular leader, and they are having the trust on the leader, Okay, and they are listening all the things whatever said by their leader. So with the help of this leader, extension worker put their information in front of the farmers. Okay, so it act as a license officer in between the extension worker and farmer. Then helper, helping the fellow farmers in getting the needed agriculture inputs. Okay, so particular leader should be help the farmers or village people regarding the agriculture inputs or any other information they want related to the agriculture, and the aware or abreast. So keeping themselves aware or abreast related to the latest agriculture technologies. So this leader should have the knowledge, have the they should be aware regarding the all the new technology which is launched in a particular agriculture field, that is the latest agriculture technologies is there, any improved agriculture practices is there, any information which is the latest and new by the particular farmer. So that should be, he should be have the knowledge regarding that, so he can convey that information to the farmers. So these are the roles of leader in agriculture extension. So if you have any doubt, if you did not understand any point, you can ask me. This is our today's topic. We completed leader and leadership topic here. Just one point is that the training required for the leader. Some training should be given to the leaders. Okay, how they should be work here, but that is not important for you. Okay, so just this much is sufficient. What we discussed in the previous class and this. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask me.